Welcome for the Peerless YouTube channel. This is Caitie North and
True North.
And we're painting Galaxies.
We're painting Galaxies today.
Yep.
It's going to be so much fun. Let's get started.
Let's get started.
For your supplies, you'll be needing Peerless Watercolors, Peerless Watercolors liquid metallics in sunshine and cotton candy, watercolor brush and paper, double-sided tape, scissors, salt, white ink, and an old toothbrush. And you can also use a gel pen. A little setup for this: you want to cut your turquoise, autumn's indigo, and mixed berry and put them on an extra piece of watercolor paper with double-sided tape, and then tape down your watercolor paper to a hard surface. So now we are just ready to paint. I'm showing True how to get the water out of the brush, which he's done it a bunch of times now. He's pretty comfortable using these. But the water was for our brushes. You just squeeze until there's the amount of water that you want to come out. And right now we're kind of filling up some of the page with water. And then some areas we will go straight from the paint to the page without it being dry. That makes it a little bit darker and more saturated. But yeah, I'll just kind of let you see how True and I do it. All right, so now that you have this whole area wet, now you can do kind of like a swooshy line, or like start from one corner to go down here.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, that's gonna be good.
That's gonna be good?
I wanna do this one.
Okay, you can do that one. So it should be wet enough.
I make the one on.
There you go. There you go. And then next to it, you're gonna add either more of the same color or a darker color and try making more of like squiggly lines.
Okay, I'll do
And you're just gonna go
berry.
the berry one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And you're just gonna kind of go through all of the paint. Okay. And you're gonna fill up, yeah. And then you could do, it's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
You could do the whole big thing like that.
Okay.
See, like a whole corner.
I'm doing.
Here, try this one.
Huh?
Take this one.
Okay.
Do that whole corner in blue.
Wait, why? But I don't have that color like yours.
Yeah, try it. It's on your brush.
On my brush? Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is. Okay. All right, so those are squiggles. So you can see where it was wet. How cool. You want to keep going?
Mm-hmm.
So you can see where it's wet, how it fans out. And then when it's dry, you get more of a sharper line, right?
Yeah.
Pretty cool, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And a little time-saving tip you guys could do is have your watercolors pre-mixed and in a paint palette that, you know, your little ones could keep on the side of their paintings, so they're not trying to hydrate the paper and the watercolors at the same time. True is pretty good with these, but even so, this was a pretty large piece of paper for him to be focused on the whole time. But if he had the paints next to him already ready to go, it might have been a little bit faster. But yeah, I mean, as much of attention span as a 3.5-year-old can have, he does pretty good. So, but yeah, if you have any, littles that they don't sit for very long, maybe having the paints ready to go would help. So yeah, little tips. Okay. Do you want purple?
I want the other one.
The dark one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's my favorite too. Do splatters? Yeah.
That's a big one.
Uh-huh.
Oh!
Very cool.
It went over there too.
See, look at when it's in here. Okay.
Splatters.
Okay. I'm gonna do some purple splatters.
Do some splatters. Splat. Whoa, that was big. Big times.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm running out of water.
That's okay. You still have some more. When it's still in there, bud, get some more purple in there. We're almost ready for the next one. You're really gonna, don't swirl it around too much. Don't swirl it because you want the pattern, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Let's do, and then how we do the dots. You remember the dots?
Yeah.
Do your dots. You can do the dots up here.
Think
I'm filling it up there. Yeah.
What like?
Yeah. Pretty cool, huh? Okay. Okay, there's no more paint on it. There's no more paint. All right, so now we are gonna use...
Hello.
We're gonna use both. So this one, we're gonna drag it.
Okay, I do that.
Look how much it moves. Cool, huh? And then...
I want to do mine right now.
I know.
Myself.
Okay, careful. So squeeze really gently. Do you see how fast it comes out?
Yeah.
So do across one way. Drag it, drag it. There you go. Keep dragging, push it. There you go. Yeah.
Whoa! It's moving, it's moving!
Uh-huh.
Wait, it's not moving. It's not.
Oh, it is.
I see it moving. I don't see it moving.
I'm gonna shake these up. See how the sparkle's in the bottom?
Yeah.
You gotta shake it up, make sure it's all sparkly. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing. And push it down barely and then drag it across.
Okay, that's easy peasy.
Easy peasy. Okay?
I just like squirt it. Like squirt.
Yeah, but you kind of want to make sure you know where you're going. Like, so
It's on me.
That's okay. So start, so squirt.
No, I'm gonna do it myself.
Okay, go for it. Yeah, oh, look at it go. And you can do little dots. No, you don't have to spray that one. You can just go like this. You want to do it like this?
I want to do little dots.
Okay, here you go.
It's very coin drops. What?
Nope. All right, so now we've done with this first step, we are going to be putting sea salt on there. So right now we're just going to be filling in some of those holes just so some of the paints kind of go all over the page and there's not any like major areas of just all white. And then the next clip you will see True using a salt grinder, and I like the salt grinder because it gives it a couple different size and textures. And this is what makes this video significantly longer than the 15 minutes it is on YouTube, is that we stop it and let it dry for a good 2 hours because we didn't want to smudge our paintings and we wanted to give it enough chance for it to fully dry and get all of those textures. So just keep it somewhere out of reach of children and pets and things, and we will check back with you as soon as your painting is drying. There you go. Cool. Are you excited? So the next step.
It makes it pop.
Yeah, the salt is going to soak up the water and then it's gonna make a really cool pattern in our galaxy.
Okay.
Yeah? Yeah. Are you ready?
But
I'm gonna do mommy's first, watch.
Sonic is also blue.
Okay, and now salt.
Sonic is also blue.
Yeah, Sonic is blue, okay?
Wait,
Okay.
I'm gonna do it myself.
You don't touch it though. I don't want salt on the popper grinder. So you're gonna do it up high.
Okay, a pie.
Up high.
A pie.
There you go. Some up here where the water is. Yeah, bud. Next part.
My done.
You have to go like this. Like that. Brush them off like that.
It's so wiggly.
Wow. Whoa.
Whoa, they're like the same.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah. Wait,
We're gonna make the stars now, okay?
I didn't know you had those in your art room.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
I got lots of stuff in my art room, huh? So I'm gonna use my thumb.
Oh, I want to do that.
Okay.
I want to do that. Whoa, I want to do that. Whoa.
Okay. Whoa. And it makes the stars, see? Okay, wait. So let me show you one more time. You're gonna go like this. Okay?
Okay. There's some more on it. I
Okay.
should know it would get on me.
So hold it.
Get on me?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, wait.
It will get on you. Okay. There you go. Look, you're doing it. Okay. Yeah, that's your get. Is that
That's
like a shooting star?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
It's
That's like a giant one.
Yeah. It's like going to a wall.
I think that's probably good. So let's see.
Crashing to the earth.
Rushing to the earth.
Not too much salt. Want some more? Baby.
Okay. That's really cool. Okay, do you want to do any more?
I got some salt.
Do you want to do any more white?
I'll do some more.
I know. Do you want to do more white?
I'll put it more.
Okay. And now.
It's actually really crunchy.
All right. Now, well, you've already done your shooting stars, so I have to add my shooting stars. Do you want me to draw some stars on yours for you?
Yeah.
Yeah?
This is awful.
Well, bud, you're eating paint.
There's paint.
Well, stars. Okay, where do you want to start?
It's on my hand now.
I know, where do you want to start? Right here?
Ooh. What is that one? It's for Mom. This one is for that.
Nope, it's a pen, buddy. See? You put it in the ink and now it's done.
What? I wanna do that. You wanna do that? Like that. It goes like big times.
It could, yeah.
Okay. Like a line too. Oh.
If you want.
You shake it.
Mm-hmm. Gentle button.
It's this. It gets off and it gets up.
Okay. Are you all done? So we're getting pretty close to the end, and as we're looking at them, they have the stars on there and in the light, which is so hard to see on camera, but they look so cool. The liquid metallics have a whole new shine to it, so it kind of mixes in with the more matte tones of the watercolors. And then wherever the salt was, it gets like a whole new depth and weird texture too. So I'll try to add the video where you can see all of the textures, but I think you'll be totally surprised and more impressed in person when you guys do it yourself. But totally fun. True loved it. And yeah, we can't wait to see your paintings.
And Mama's artboard painting.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and share with your friends, and we will see you next time.